Alright, today we're out here at Island Pond at Chisholm Creek Nature Center. It's a catch and release only pond, artificial lures only, and I don't know, let's just see how big a fish we can get. We have to be very, very quiet to catch the fishies. There we go. Almost ended up in the drink right there. Don't you shake it yet. There we go. Yes, sir. Didn't like the spinner, but like... Stop it. Stop! I got you. I got you. You're not going anywhere. Man, thing top of the mouth hook and everything. Oh, man. Stop. Nope. No. No. Got it. Alright, fishy. Good fish. Nope. Chill. So I can get a good look at you. Look at that fish. That's not too bad. Top of his mouth, stay. So he's what, 11 plus... And it's... I don't know. He's probably close to 15 inches or so. Good looking fish. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. And the Olympic score on that dive was minimal due to splash. Got one. Stop. Not gonna help you. Alright. Good little fish there, buddy. There you go. Alright, there's a big one right here somewhere. I can feel it. Oh, look at that! That's not a bad one, actually. I don't think. Feels pretty good. Ooh, doggy. Get out of there. That's a good one right there. Good heavy honker tonker. Stop it. You bite me. Stop biting me, you jerk. I know I hooked you. That's a little worse, but... Nice. Look at that. Pretty good fish right there. Not that good, but better than what I've been catching. Alright, buddy.